This is general advice and my opinions only. CFDs are high risk, past performance isn't reliable. I may be long or short CFDs and stocks mentioned. Content may contain language that offends some viewers. LEVRD operates as corporate authorised representative 001318377 under AFSL 548573. You can find our financial services guide via the LEVRD website link in the show notes.
Righto, bag holders and stop loss owners, far out. Can Matty move a commodity price? As soon as I said fucking gold can't go to 4,500, I'm going to go long gold, short equities, the fucking thing goes to 4,800. Can you believe it? Oh, mate, the power I have of jinxing shit, fuck me dead. Pretty, Powell spoke last night. They've still got one rate cut baked in for the end of the year. They haven't hiked rates, but the inflation concerns have friggin' overshot any sort of things of any positive fucking thing on the gold price for a potential rate cut. I'll show you an actual, here's a good quote from the great Sam Christie, Shaw and Partners. This was in his Morden note. Gold should move higher in a high inflation environment, as long as interest rates are stable or even better, falling. There is no way the US is raising rates. The next move will be down. The oil price is not growth demand driven, but supply. I'm staying bullish gold. This isn't making sense. Don't get me started on Australian rates. We will look back at this week's hike and shake our heads. Oh, bloody Sam Christie, one of the great GCs of the Sydney Circle. Thank you, Sam, for your bloody knowledge. Sam Christie has to come on here in the morning as part of the Insto Desk crew. Benny Nelson's done it. Seward's done it. Christie, get on LEVRD. Right, let's have a look at commodity prices overnight. It's fucking all go. So what do we got? Biggest movers, you'd say. Copper down 2.9%, $5.57. Gold down 3.9%, 48.11. Fucking iron ore down 1%, bloody 108. Rare earths back at 96.70, down 2.8%. Nickel down 0.2%, 769. Brent crude back up 7% to $111 a barrel. And you've got silver back at 75, spodumene 21.15, uranium still doing nothing, thermal coal up 3% to 139. Fuck me dead. And the majors overnight, Hammett, Ivanhoe down 6%, Agnico down 6%, Barrick down 6%, Newmont down 4.7%, Freeport down 4.6%, fucking hemorrhaging everywhere. So she's, tell you what, lucky I fucking reset yesterday. I would be dead. I'd be gone. I'd be fucking gone. So that reset yesterday has absolutely saved my ass. I'd have zero money. I would have margin called. The show would have been over. So possibly the fact I'm still alive is a miracle. So I was that close. So, the falling knife would have killed me. Can you imagine that fucking 80 grand position on Northern Star? Fucking gone. And the Pantoro position. Gone. Everything gone. Holy shit. That was close. That was fucking close. Oh, my God. Am I about to witness a big short moment here? Because I've repositioned hard today on a theory, and I'm going to go through it. Oh, my God. Trump-Iran update. This is what's caused it. Israel bombed an Iran gas field, and all rose again. So, just as simple as that, tensions are heightened in the Middle East once again. It's fucking carnage. Bit of news out today. Oh, pardon me. Boss Energy put the Gould's Dam and Jason's update out. So they're saying, interesting, so the Gould's Dam resource increased by £8 million to £33 million, but the average grade has declined by 122 ppm down to 388. And then you've got Jason's, so that is 12 million pounds at 410 ppm, but that grade has declined by 380 ppm. So due to all the infill drilling. So, and they've effectively said the development pathway is for Goulds and Jason. So state and federal approvals process is targeted to commence in the second half of this year. Timing from initial applications to granting of a mining lease is expected to take up to 18 to 24 months. A further 6 to 12 months will be required for the program for environmental protection and rehabilitation. So there's three years away. 3 years away. I'll be interested to see how the stock has responded to this. It's obviously later on, but you look at the grades they're going to be working with compared to what Honeymoon was. It's much bloody lower. It's like similar grades to what Cauldron's working with in WA, which who knows when that's going to be ever fucking mined. So yeah, big difference. I'll be interested to see how the stocks responded to this. Core Lithium coming out yesterday. Final investment decision for the Finniss restart. So they've got a US 120 million or Aussie 170 consortium with Glencore, Infravise, CMF Invest, Buddy Nabari, and there's like a convertible note component that goes to Glencore, and then they've also done a equity raise as well. I think that, oh, geez, I haven't got that on the thing, but that was 120, yeah, there we go, $120 million equity raise at 21 cents, and it last traded at 22, so not much of a discount. So that's what's happening there. Be interested to see how that one's bloody responded. So there, Lithium's coming back. Finniss is getting restarted. That'll be an interesting underground tender to see who goes there. I'm sure there's plenty of people looking for a tender, maybe people looking to get out of a contract and go to that one up in the Northern Territory. Who knows? So that'll be one of the next underground projects, no doubt, getting scoped out for an underground tender. So right. What do we got? Oh, come on, you bastard. Right, Posse update. Right, big changes. Okay, so here's the thinking. This was my oil, my fuel supply fucking theory yesterday. 1, the price. 2, fucking supply of diesel in WA. I think that it may be happening that fuel supply is becoming fucking iffy and operations may be at risk of shutting down. Some of them. I don't know which ones, but I think it's going to become an issue. And the fact that the Iran thing escalated overnight, it might become even more of an issue today. Gold prices dropped, which has hammered the equities, but I don't think it's even been baked in that. Can you imagine if some of these operations had to pause production because they don't have fucking diesel? Which operations are the most diesel reliant? The ones I've found. Ora Banda, Pantoro, Black Cat, all very diesel reliant. Genesis, I'm more thinking in the lens of deep trucking from Gwalia, a lot of back and forth with trucking dirt to and from mines to mills. So they're pretty diesel reliant, not as much on the mill because I think they've got a lot more gas-fired side of things. And fucking, look, to be honest, Northern Star, the pressure they're under, just the amount of diesel needed for their operations and the fact that they're iffy on what they're going to achieve already, chuck fucking diesel in the underground fleet, big issue. Same as Bellevue. Bellevue's not on the milling side. They've got a lot of renewables and gas in the hybrid power station, but pressure on getting dirt out of the hole with boggers and trucks. They're the ones. So here's where I've redeployed. Look, it's fucking cost me because gold's fucking shit itself overnight. Right. So yesterday I opened the Ora Banda short. So I've added to that this morning. Breakthrough has just been hammered. 16 cents. Fuck my life. That's just, anyway, I'll just fucking hold and hope for that one. I've gone short Northern Star. Closed the long yesterday, gone short today. That is pretty much, that stock is under pressure. It's been hammered absolutely hammered, uncertain, and add this potential diesel issue in. Genesis, short Genesis, deep trucking at Gwalia, a lot of trucking of dirt back and forth, open pits that require a lot of diesel equipment. Black Cat, gone short Black Cat. Paulson's, pretty sure is fully diesel reliant. And then you've got the open pits going on at Cal East. Lakewood, I don't believe, is diesel reliant, but the operations are. Bright Star absolutely hammered yesterday, absolutely smashed and smashed again today, back at 38 cents. So I trimmed a bit of that and just to put into these shorts. Pantoro, from what I've discovered, Norseman is very diesel reliant and it's a smaller operation and already under pressure with the guidance downgrade. And Medallion fucking absolutely hammered again. Closed the Centaurus position to feed into this bloody theory. So fucking unfortunately the balance is fucking shit. 102, probably going to be lower because Breakthrough's getting hammered, Bright Star's getting hammered, everything's getting hammered, but at least I'm covered on bloody gold at the moment. And I am... This down day, I am betting on it not being the last one because if this diesel thing, if fucking one operation says they're shutting down because of diesel, this is going to fucking flow through the industry. So this could be my make or break moment, to be honest. The fund could either die or probably won't double, but it could die or it could go up 50%. So that's where we're at. Let's have a look at the open. Where are we? Right, coming.
3, 2, 1, let's fire!
Righto, what do we got? Okay, gold still sitting at 48.35. Orabanda down 6.7, so that short's coming in profit. Good profit from yesterday. Northern Star continues to go down. Genesis continues to go down because I opened these up on the open. Black Cat down 8.6%. Profit there. Bright Star hammered. Medallion hammered. Pantoro in profit. So they've actually continued to go down a little bit since I opened the position. So that's where we're sitting. Oh, have I got any to deploy? Right. I think I might have to go rip some into Bellevue. I can't get much. 13.99. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, I ain't 10 grand notional short. Yeah, there we go. God, if bloody, wish I could have more. If Bellevue are under pressure, bloody with diesel, imagine taking away fucking diesel. Be fucking no hope. Oh, Jesus Christ. So the operations are under pressure, I believe. Right, there we go. Okay. That's the update. So looking across the screen, mate, it is fucking red everywhere. It is absolutely red. Everything has been smashed. Maybe let's check coal. Coal's up. Bloody, what do we got? Whitehaven up 3. So coal's performed well. Everything else, fucking hammered. What did Boss Energy do? Boss, on the back of that, down 4%, but the whole market's down, so not like too big of an overperformer. Copper, I reckon copper's hammered. What's Develop at? Oh, 29 Metals is nearly at 29 cents. Develop, 420. 420, down 5.6. So everything is getting frickin' butchered. Lithium, fuck. Oh, thank fuck I closed all these things. Liontown back sub $1.50. Oh, my God. That is fucking just absolute carnage. Absolute carnage. So, we'll fucking see how we go. Righto, punters. Thanks for coming on, Seward. I assume he came on. I'm trying to get him on. I probably pieced him in. Righto.